Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 7 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Just tap on this section and tap on the contact you'd like to edit. Now let's tap on this edit icon and tap on the camera in the circle. And here we've got two options to choose from. We can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you or if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me simply tap on this option. And as you can see, we've been transferred to our own files from which we can pick the photo. So let me pick, for example, this one. And as you can see in this section, we can change the position and the size of the square. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So let's position it just like you want to. Unfortunately, this is all you can do with a photo. You cannot zoom it in or out, but that's okay. And simply confirm it with this confirmation mark in the right upper corner. As you can see, the photo has been applied to this circle. So if you're happy with your choice and the results, just tap on the save icon in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.